Guys, if you want to have fun with your car, buy this thing. I've never heard my car do that before, okay? What? Drag strip mode is no joke, okay? Drag strip mode is where it's at. Yo, what is going on YouTube? AR Car Reviews here with another video, and in today's video I got a special surprise for you guys. We have a new toy, a new gift from Windbooster, okay? This is right here a throttle controller that they sent to us to test out. So let's look into it, let's see what it is, and let's get into the video. If you guys don't know what a throttle controller is, it's basically something that has different drive modes and it allows for more sensitive and desensitive throttle control out of your car, okay? So what that basically means is when you're hitting the gas, you're either going to get faster results or you're going to get slower results, depending on what type of mode you want to put that in, which could definitely save you some money, at the same time let you have a lot of fun. So let's open out this package from Windbooster. I want to see what it is. Oh man, I'm excited for this. Honestly, I never tried one of these things before, but let's see what it is. So right off the bat, we can see the throttle controller right here. It's in a small screen that doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really good. It actually looks like a small mini like iPhone or something like that. It looks so crazy. It actually does look like an iPhone. But so yeah, let me take that out. And here you guys can see right here. So this is basically going to be a little computer that tells you what the car is going to do, and allows you to switch the gears as well. So if you want to go into Eco Mode, if you want to go into Sport Plus mode, drag strip mode, and we're going to get into all that today. Okay, in addition to that, we do have these other cables right here, and the installation process doesn't look like it's going to take too long. I would say probably 3 minutes, 5 minutes max. So it does come with some instructions, but who needs those? Nah, I'm just playing, I need those. And by the way, hit that subscribe button, guys. We are almost to 500 subscribers. That's going to be our next goal, so I really want to hit that goal. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that like button, follow Instagram, social media, all that ticky-tacky platforms and stuff like that. And let's get into this video.
Alright, so why would you want a throttle controller, and how much do these things cost? For one, throttle controllers give you more power quicker, allow you to save money on gas, and has a bunch of other modes and even safety features. This GT model is the top of the line and it costs $279, but it's on sale for $199, and when you use discount code ARCAR, you get an extra 15% off anything. Link will be in the description. Now let's get back to the video.
So right off the bat, packaging is actually really good for the Windbooster. It comes in this small screen with 2 buttons. We're going to figure out what those buttons do later on. If we take it out, you can actually see it actually looks like an iPhone. It actually uses the iPhone cable, and it has a little slot right here, so you can just plug it in just like that and it'll power up the Windbooster. So now let's talk about the cables, right? We do have this cable, and at first it looks kind of scary, it looks kind of long. You also have the control box right here. So as what I said before, this one plugs into the actual Windbooster. Now this one is going to go into your throttle pedal. So now it's going to be one side plugs into the pedal and the other side plugs into the connector, so it has connectivity.
So as you guys can see, we have the brakes on the left and the gas on the right, and we need to disconnect the connector for the gas pedal. Just make sure that the car is off and the parking brake is on. So we're going to disconnect the connector and add the cables from the Windbooster on one cable and the other to the pedal. When you're finished, you should just have the lightning cable to go to the Windbooster. Now just peel off the 3M tape and paste it down and you're good. I have some space on the left, so I'll just put it there. And now I think we're ready for the road. Let's go.
Okay guys, so after installing the Windbooster, we have a total of 7 modes that I'm pretty excited to use. So let's see if I install this thing right. It seems like the car is working fine because I can rev up the engine. And let's test it out. Alright guys, let's buckle up. We're going to be testing out the Windbooster throttle controller. So right off the bat, like what I said before, we have a couple modes that we can play around with. Right now we're going to start things out in normal mode, and I am going to be keeping on the AC. I don't care, it's hot, It's summertime, okay? Summertime in New York City, you guys know what it is. It's blazing outside. Right now it's 80 degrees, but it feels like 102, okay? So right now we're in normal mode. So basically normal mode is going to be the same thing as like the regular car. There's no difference. In the car, it feels basically the same. So now we're going to switch up a gear to sport mode. So now we're in sport mode. Now we're in sport mode 0. So I'm going to tune this up a little bit by pressing that S button. Okay, I definitely feel like it's definitely quicker. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was a little quicker. That was definitely a little quicker. That was definitely a little bit quicker. I give that to him. To sport mode A9. No, it's moving different now. It's moving different. The car is moving mad, okay? Let's see. So, what was that? That was sport. We got a couple more modes to go through. So I'm going to put it into sport plus. A1. Let's turn it up a little bit. I feel like we really got acclimated, you know what I'm saying? Let's turn it up a little bit. Oh, shoot. Okay. Sport plus is not a game. Whoa, yo, this feels like a whole different car. I'm not gonna lie, this thing does not feel like the same car I drove this morning. This thing is moving, man. I'll tell you, this thing is actually moving. Like, it feels very zippy. You hear this engine? Oh my gosh, no. This thing is mad. And we still got a lot more modes to go through. Actually, I'm going to keep driving straight. Another thing that's really good with throttle controllers like this is a tune. Of course, if I tune up the car would feel entirely different. But right now, this car is making me smile. This car hasn't made me smile in a long time. This car basically has 160 horsepower, so it's not the fastest and it's not the funnest. But when you have the power to kind of get that 160 horsepower, it becomes a lot more fun. You guys can get yours today as well. Now we are going to have a discount code where you're going to have a percentage off if you use my code ARCAR. So make sure you do that, guys. If you have a sporty car or any type of car, this would be a good addition to your car. I'm telling you, like, my car is not a sports car by any stretch of the means, but if you put this on your car and it is a sportier car, you're gonna have a lot more fun, I'll tell you. Buy this thing today. Buy this thing right now, guys. If you want to have fun with your car, buy this thing. I've never heard my car do that before, okay? I think that was my car. I think I just burnt rubber in the Civic. Oh my gosh, I heard my tires skidding. Let's see, now we have another mode. We're gonna have iAuto. So basically what iAuto does is it makes itself known to your driving style. Whoa, that's a Supra. That's a nice looking Supra, man. Now we're driving an Econ Mode. Let's see how Econ Mode is gonna do. Whoa, nah, that's crazy. Econ Mode is moving slow. Like, this would definitely help you save a lot of money on gas. I'm telling you, this will help you save a lot of money on gas.
So if you guys aren't able to see from the video, I am able to average almost 50 mpgs on a New York City highway. That is crazy. Econ Mode set to 9. Insane money saved in your pocket, I'm telling you.
Wow, I just slammed on the gas and nothing happened in Valet Mode. Valet Mode is really cutting the power right now. So Valet Mode would be really good if you're, going out to dinner date or whatever you're going to do, and you really just don't want somebody playing around with your car. You know what I mean? You don't want them having games, having fun. You want them to be very responsible, very serious with your car. So right now I'm in valet mode, and I'm gonna slam on the gas in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's like 26. It's like 26 miles an hour. It's not very fast. It's not very fast at all. So now we have Aslip mode, and basically Aslip is basically gonna help you to not slip. You know what I mean? Like when you're driving in wet conditions, stuff like that. So again, another mode that cuts the power, allows you to be relatively safe. Probably be good on rear-wheel drive cars like a Mustang or a Charger or a Challenger. It will really help you to further emphasize that you're not gonna spin out in the middle of a highway or something.
Windbooster also has an app that you can use to go through all of the different drive modes and easily connect to the device by pressing one button. But hands down, the most impressive thing is that you have the ability to lock your gas pedal. Yes, I said that correctly. This is an amazing thing to have, especially with the cars that get stolen a lot, like Dodges and basically any sports car. I locked my car, and sure enough, hitting the gas pedal did nothing, even with the car on and in drive. Crazy. So all in all, I'm very glad Windbooster sent this product to me. It is hands down one of the coolest and funnest additions I think you can put on a car, apart from having performance oriented things, and gets a 10 out of 10 from me. Great product. Alright guys, make sure you shop online for a product for your car at shop.windbooster.com and email them for any inquiries about your car. Here are some of the car brands that they work on and have products for. Also, don't forget to use code ARCAR to get that 15% off for happy 4th of July. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more cool car content, and of course, AR out.
It's a beautiful day in New York City, by the way. Like, if you're not outside today, you gotta be outside. Like, it's really just beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it from the camera, but there's people everywhere walking their dogs and just talking and living life and stuff like that. And I'm the guy with the Civic.